Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font of text in Affinity. So if you're in your design guys and you want to create a text, go ahead and click the text or the artistic or the frame text, whichever one you choose, click on it and just start writing. So I'm going to just simply write the word style right here. And I'm going to select my tool here and just kind of drag this into the center. Now I'm going to stretch it out a bit. Now, if I want to change the font or the font style of this text, it is super easy to do. Once you click on the text, you want to go ahead and look for where it shows a font on the upper left. Click on the drop down here and you have a whole lot of different text font that you can choose from. So if you want something like this, you can go ahead and choose that. If you want something like this, you can go ahead and choose that. So you have a whole lot of different styles that you can choose from. And that's pretty much it guys. Very easy and very simple how to change your font style in Affinity. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.